Very warm good morning to all of you. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So today we are going to play a debate. In the debate, our topic is e-vehicle and the fuel vehicle. So our opponent party is going to support the e-vehicle and we are going to support the fuel vehicle. So now let's start.
So hello everyone. Hello. I hope that you all are doing well in your life. So today I am strongly in the favor of the e-vehicles because definitely electronic vehicles are the boon for humankind nowadays. Why? Because there are uncountable benefactors of using e-vehicles. First of all, it reduces the cost of the mankind's because money is important nowadays, and it is a really benefactor that it reduces the cost today. And second benefactor is that it runs by the electricity, and electricity is the renewable source, and by the renewable sources we can make the electricity, and by the electricity we can generate these kind of vehicles in this era. So definitely it is the boon for us. So definitely we should use e-vehicles as much as we can. And however, if I talk about the fuel vehicles, so definitely fuel vehicles produces the harmful gases and carbon dioxide gases. So therefore there are many harmful effects of using fuel vehicles. So
okay, so good morning everyone. Good morning. I'm going to support why the fuel vehicle is better than the e-vehicle. So I don't think so. I'm totally disagree with your point. So first you said that it's a very cheap in comparison to the fuel vehicles, but I don't think so. In comparison, if you're talking about the electricity, then maybe. But in case if it is cheap, why the people are not purchasing e-vehicles? Why the people are preferring still now that they should use the fuel vehicle? And if you will see the ratio in the India, so more than 80% people are still using the e-vehicle. Only 20% chances the people are using the fuel vehicle. The second thing you said, reduce the pollution. I don't think so. If you will use the electric vehicle as well, there is a fossil fuel which impact the environment, and we have the CNG which we can use and reduce the pollution. So it's a kind of a mentality which the people have, that in case if we will use the e-vehicle, then the pollution level is going to be increased, right? The third thing I can say that the mileage. I think the e-vehicle, I don't think so the people are going to cover the long distance. When the fuel vehicle, we can cover the long distance as much as we can, but you guys can't do that. The second thing I can say that the e-vehicle never is going to defeat the fuel vehicle, just because we have the multiple disadvantages about that. Thank you so much.
So good morning to you all. Good morning. As I am in the favor of that e-vehicle, so in my opinion that e-vehicles are far more better than the as compared to fuel vehicle, because as electricity made our life very easy, and we can say that just because of electricity we can use our e-vehicle more efficiently. As ma'am you mentioned that we can't go that far places, so they are battery stops, and just because of that by using battery stops we can go far better as well. And e-vehicles are very efficient because we can generate electricity by the water as well. And about that fuel vehicle, we are just getting that all the oil and petrol by the other countries such as Gulf countries, and we are just generating them, and just because of generating them we are just destroying our natural resources. So in my opinion that e-vehicles are far much better. And if I talk about the batteries, so batteries are, you can charge the battery and you can use it for the longer time, and it doesn't give you that much of harmful gases. And as you mentioned that about that it is not that much of good, so I can say you can charge it very easily. And if you are just having that e-vehicle, so there is no noise pollution. You are just it is a very pollution free also, because noise pollution.
Good morning all of you.
Good morning.
So I would like to start to my point from the fuel vehicles. So according to me, fuel vehicles are the more cheapest if I compare to the e-vehicles. E-vehicles are more expensive. And ma'am, you are saying that when we use the e-vehicles, so that kind of the activity will be happen. So how can you say that kind of the activity will happen? Because the e-vehicles always the limit is the 100 kilometers. So after the 100 kilometer, what will you do? You can't do nothing. If I talk about the fuel vehicles, so on the time you can't go to each and everywhere, because there is no limit that you can go to the 200 kilometer and the 3 kilometers. And if I compare to the fuel vehicles, so fuel vehicles always run by the petrol and the diesel. And you are talking about the the emergency. If emergency, any kind of the emergency happen, what will you do? So on the time you will charge your battery? No, on the time you can't charge your battery. There is no limit in the fuel vehicles. So according to me, fuel vehicles are the more good if I compare to the electricity vehicles. So according to me, there are so many EV vehicles. You have to spend the 20 lakhs. In 10 lakhs you can purchase the few vehicles, but if you want to purchase the electric vehicles, so
tell me why India is purchasing fossil fuel from the other country. India don't having a single mind to produce these kind of thing, and these always hit the direct for on the foreign reserve. Like 70% of the fossil fuel we import from the other country we use in the transportation, and because of this is directly create a burden on the on India direct foreign reserve and inflation in other country, because inflation in other country hit direct inflation in the India. I can say because of Russia and Ukraine war, the prices of the whole world fossil fuel and all the things has been increased, and because of the India is facing the huge inflation. And ma'am, you are talking about like the distance, so definitely with the help of car, with the help of electric vehicle, we can go as far as we want. And the technology is increasing, the prices of electric vehicle is decreasing so fastly. We can see the people nowadays are preferring to choose e-vehicle rather than choosing the fossil things.
First of all, good morning, class. Good morning. So I'm supporting as a fuel vehicle. So sir, I have a question. So what's the reason most of the e-vehicles is now many people face lots of the problems related to the maybe when any type of case happen, just like burn e-vehicles, it's mostly burn in the summer season. Apart of this, maybe the reason is fuel vehicles is very good, and the prices, when I compare to the prices of the fuel and e-vehicles, so the prices is very good in the fuel vehicles. And apart of this, maybe just suppose you are traveling as a long distance journey, or maybe your battery is dead, so what will you do on that situation? Maybe you are stuck and you will have to wait lots of the times. But in the fuel, maybe your fuel is empty, so you can easily fill your tank with the help of petrol pumps. So nowadays, and this service, I'm talking about this service, fuel vehicle service is very good comparison to the e-vehicles. Right now, maybe the few centers is providing the services. Apart of this, maybe most of the persons prefer to the, as you can see, e-vehicles comparison to fuel. Most of the persons right now switching to the fuel vehicles. The reason is the lifeline of the e-vehicles is maybe 5 years, but in the lifeline of the fuel vehicles is very good, as you can see, 15 to 20 years.
So good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay, so the primary purpose is that the fuel vehicles are biggest cause of the carbon dioxide, because carbon is increasing day by day in our atmosphere, and according to the reports of United Nations, we can see that this is an era of global warming, and last week of July we have seen the most temperature in the world. Because of what? Because of fuel vehicle. And if I talk about the electronic vehicle, so electronic vehicle, we can produce electricity by the clean source, and the clean sources are like we can charge it by solar, we can produce by hydroelectricity, we can do the nuclear power plants, we can produce it from there. And also, if I talk about the fuel vehicles, so fuel vehicles generally create problems when it comes to the pollution level, so that is why it is not good for us. And if I talk about the main purpose of using electronic vehicle, so it is because it is the high time to change ourselves, because the temperature is increasing day by day, and if we have to save the humankind, so we have to move forward in our life, and we have to adopt the electronic vehicle. So that is why I think it is good for us. And ma'am, whatever you are talking about the data, so data is not 80%, the data is 75% according to the report of the Indian Express, and 75% people are only using the fuel vehicle, 25% have already adopted, and many people are tending to adopt the electronic vehicle in the future. And this is the data. And if I talk about more, so electronic vehicle, we can see that it is increasing day by day, not only in India but also in the world. And here if we have to compare.
Okay, so good morning, class. Good morning. So sir, as you're supporting that the electricity you are talking about, without battery you can't run the any particular vehicles. Direct electricity we can't run any particular, and what is where we made the battery, that by the lithium. What is the price or what is the cost of lithium? You can't find in India, it's too expensive. We are importing from the other country. Why? We are depending on another country. We don't have anything. That's why we are making the electric vehicles. And you are talking about the range of performance. You can see the fuel and the diesel vehicles, they have a good performance. If you want to go in the hill station, that you will need the fuel buses, the fuel trucks. If you want to export something with another country and another state, that you need a fuel need a fuel vehicle. Electrical vehicle, it will not give you the good performance. After after 1 and 2 years, your battery will be destroyed. You can't do nothing. Your electrical vehicle price, it will be lost. And you will, if you want to purchase the fuel vehicle, that after 2 and 3 years, if you will give a good care, that you can sell again in same prices. That's the advantage of the fuel vehicle. And you are talking about the electrical vehicle, that it's a good performance, that it's not good performance. And you are talking about the pollution. You know what is the pollution, which kind of pollution increased by the battery. You don't know about that. If you will collect the knowledge that you know about that, what is there's also one kind of pollution.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Good. I am also good. I have collected the information about the fuel vehicle. And fuel vehicle, whenever it leaks, it increase the value and it increase the fire level. Okay, whenever it leaks in the rainy season. Apart from that, I live in Tigri. There is a one woman who drives the auto, e-rickshaw. Why she doesn't drive the auto in the like a fuel vehicle? Because it is very suitable for the women also. Apart from that, Nitin Gadkari is a transport minister of our India, and he always promotes the e-vehicle, because e-vehicle, all those like a rickshaw driver, they support the e-vehicle because there is a problem in those transport which is not being provided by the e-vehicle. In the e-vehicle, we can easily transport that thing. Apart from that, Swiggy, Zomato, all those workers who are using the e-vehicle for the like the fast and the race transport, just because of that they are on the time every time. Apart from that, like in the e-vehicle, we are getting the services. How? Like the Tata builds the DTC bus just because of the e-vehicle. In the e-vehicle, we are having the suitable facilities. Apart from that, the fuel vehicle, if I talk about the fuel vehicle, every coin has two sides in the fuel vehicle.
Okay, so good morning to all of you. How are you? I'm also good. So thank you for giving me a chance, and I'm favoring my team. The first thing is that, brother, all of you are talking about the eco-friendly, means they are releasing the fuel vehicles releasing the CO2. The first thing is that, brother, electricity, how electricity makes. You are talking about the solar panel. Brother, you are having a good knowledge about the report. So you know very well the 16% of electricity we are consuming, only 16%. But 60% we are consuming from the coal. And if we are switch on the coal, that means it also release the CO2. So you can understand about it. The second thing is that, brother, you all are talking about the e-vehicle. So how could you say it? Means you are living in a Tigri and many more areas. We are living here. So how many charging station is there? If we are stick here, so on that time what will do? The second thing is that you are talking about the electric vehicle. So on that time, if we are emergency, we need to go somewhere and electricity is not there. So what will you do? You will wait for 6 hours for charging. Guys, what are you talking about? We need a petrol vehicle. Why? Because on that time we don't need any kind of time, because time is precious. And the second thing is that about the electric vehicles, we have a employment, means electric vehicles are not providing any kind of employment, but petrol pumps gives you employment. Thank you.